Hey guys, today I'm making a tangy chicken marinade for dinner. I'm starting out with 2 frozen chicken breasts, and I'm going to add a half a cup of olive oil. I will also add a little more than half a cup of apple cider vinegar. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of pepper and 1 tablespoon of salt. Then I will be adding turmeric, cumin, onion powder, garlic powder, parsley, and chives to taste. Now stir. Now pour the marinade over your chicken. Mine is bagged to make it easier. Then you can let the chicken thaw in the marinade. Alright, it's just about dinner time and the chicken is thawed. So now we are going to take our chicken and cut it up, get it into a frying pan, and we're going to cook it with whatever's left in that bag of marinade. I am making rice and fresh veggies with this dinner, so now I'm gonna start the rice. I have my chicken on low, so it gives the rice time to cook. Okay, so the rice and chicken are done. I took out some white rice for my husband and I, but my kids like cheesy rice. So I cut up a little bit of Velveeta to add to their rice, and I will just stir it until it's smooth. And then I will plate and we can enjoy. And there it is. So easy, so tasty. If you guys like this kind of content or you just like hanging out with me, go ahead and like and subscribe.